Here is how to blend images in Photoshop. First, you're going to open your image. By selecting your image and clicking Open. And then just press T on your keyboard or select the text menu from the toolbar. Make sure the color and font are to your preference. Once you have that, then just click on the image with the text tool. Click on the check mark in the upper menu. Press Ctrl plus T on your keyboard and adjust the size of the text. Double-click on the text to get the option to change it, and then just write whatever you like. Click on the check mark again. Drag the text wherever you want using the Move tool. Use Alt plus Shift when you drag and scale for better adjustment. Press Enter on your keyboard. Then go to your text layer and right-click on it. Convert it to a smart object. Right-click on your background layer too and pick Duplicate Layer. Change the document option to New, and then just pick a random name for your new document. When you click OK, it will open a copy of your background separately. Next, go to Image and then Mode. Click on Grayscale to make your image black and white. For the next step, go back to the upper menu for Filter and pick Blur. Use Gaussian Blur and set the radius to around 2. Press Ctrl plus S on your keyboard to save your project. Close this and move on to your original image. Make your text layer invisible and then head on to Channels. Click on Blue, hold and drag it to the plus sign on the screen to duplicate it. Press Ctrl plus L for levels and adjust the sliders to have more contrast. Click Load Channel as Selection. Go back to Layers and add a mask to your text layer. Make your layer visible again and watch the magic happen. Next, make sure you have your layer selected and not the mask. For the final step, go to Filter again and then Distort. Choose Displace. Depending on your image, choose between 10 to 20 ratio. Select the project you saved earlier and open. As you can see, the difference is painfully obvious. Now you can choose to end it here, but there is still something else I would like to show you. If you go to FX and click on Blending Options, you can use the underlying layer slider to further blend in the image. Hold Alt to split the transition if needed. Click OK. And we are done. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I'm sure your creative minds will take this technique even further. And I'll see you again in the next.